Namaste children. I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Bulbul Sengupta of Dr. D. Ram DAV Public School. So children, how are you? I think you are fine. And every day, I think you are enjoying online classes, children. But children, you should always also maintain your some healthy habits of cleanliness, and also you should obey your parents also. You are staying at home, so always obey your parents, and also love your younger siblings and respect your elder siblings. So children, all of you close your hands, join your hands and close your eyes, and now chant Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurbhuvah Swaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Vargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat. Om. Now children, today I am going to start my session with this beautiful thought. Thought of the day. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. May you live all the days of your life. I repeat, yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. May you live all the days of your life. So with this beautiful thought, I am going to continue my session, children. Today's session is, I will teach about the division. That is worksheet number 3. Today I am going to discuss unit number 4, worksheet number 3. Now children, let's firstly recapitulate recapitulation of the previous class. In the previous class, I have told you the division of 4-digit number by a single digit number, right children? And also I have told you how to check your division also. The formula of the checking is, what is the formula? It is dividend is equals quotient into divisor plus remainder. So with this formula you can check your answer of division, right children? So in the case of division also I have told you that you have to start from the left side of the dividend, right? The largest place value digit. Okay, so let us start worksheet number 3. So in worksheet number 3, unit number 4, division of 4-digit number by 2-digit number. So this is example. Divide 9856 by 23. So here children, this 9856 has how many digits? It is having 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits. So this is dividend. 9856 is the number which is to be divided. It is called dividend. So 9856 is a dividend. So I will arrange this dividend in a place value chart. 1000, 100, tens and ones. 4 places for the 4-digit number. So 9, 8, 5, 6. I have inserted this number according to the place value of each digit of the number. So 6 is at ones place, 5 at tens, 8 at hundreds and 9 at thousand. So 9856 is to be divided. So I have given the division operation sign, right? And it will be divided by 23 is the divisor. 23 is 2-digit number. Okay. Now step number 1. We start with the thousands. In step number 1, we start with the thousands, that is towards the left side of the dividend and the largest place value of the digit, right? So here thousands, it's 9. So 9 is less than 23, correct? So 9 is less than 23. We cannot start from 1. We have to multiply 23 by 0. So I will put 0 at the thousand place. 0 times of 23 is 0. Now I will do the subtraction. 9 minus 0 is 9. Correct? Second step, I will put down this 8 along with 9. Now it becomes 98. What? 98. It is 9800. Right? So 98 is here in second step. 98 is more than 23. So we can start the table of 23. 23 fours are what? 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 1 9, 92. 23 fours are 92. So here I will multiply with 4. 4 times of 23 is 92. So I will subtract 98 minus 92. So it is 8 minus 2 is 6 and 9 minus 9 is 0. Now I will put down 5 along with 6. So it becomes 65 tenths. And here all of you see children that 65 is also more than 23. 65 is more than 23. So we start the table of 23. So what is the table of 23? Let's start. 23 ones are 23, 23 twos are 46, because 23 threes are more than 65. Let's see. 23 threes are 3 threes are 9, 3 twos are 6. It is 69, and 69 is more than 65, so it is not possible. So we take 23 twos are 46. So 65 minus 46. So we will subtract 5. I will borrow 110 from the 6. So 5 will become 15, and then 6 will reduce to 5. So 15 minus 6 is 9, and 5 minus 4 is 1. Now here 19, I will put down this 6 along with 19. Now it becomes 196. This 196 is more than 23. So we start the table of 23. So let's start the table. 23 ones are 23. 23 twos are what? 23 twos are 46. So here it is 196. So in case of 196, I will multiply with 8. Let's multiply with 8. 8 threes are 24, 2, 8 twos are 16, 17, 18. So 8 times of 23 is 184. Now let us subtract. 6 minus 4 is 2, and 1 minus 8 is 1. So here all of you children see that the 12 is the remainder, and the quotient is 428. Okay children, so you will write quotient equals 428 and remainder is equal to 12. Okay, so in this way you can do the division. Now let's children, let us go to the worksheet. Now in worksheet number 3, question number 1 is divide. Question is children, divide. Let us solve A. 7,982 will be divided by 11. Right? Now here 7,982 is a dividend and 11 is a divisor. So how many digits are there in 7,982? 4 digits. So there are 4 places are there in the 4 place values chart. So I will insert this, write this dividend in a place value chart. Thousands, hundred, tens and ones. I will write it 7, 9, 8, 2. and then put the division sign, and I'll write the divisor here. Now let's start the division. I'll start from the where? Extreme left side of the greatest place value digit, that is 7. So here 7 is less than 11, children. 7 is less than 11, right? It means 7,000. 7 digit is less than 11. So I will multiply 11 with 0 at the thousands place. 0 11s are 0. So I will subtract 7 minus 0 as 7, right? Now I will put down this 9 along with 7. Now it is 7900. So this 79 is more than 11. So let's start the table. 11 ones are 11, 11 twos are 22, 11 threes are 33, 11 fours are 44, 11 fives are 55, 11 sixes are 66, 11 sevens are 77, 11 eights are 88. Here you see that 88 is more than 79, but 77 is less than 79. Now children, we cannot subtract a greater number from a smaller number, but we can subtract the smaller number from the greater number. So here 7 times of 11 is eligible. We can subtract 77 from 79. So 9 minus 7 is 2, 7 minus 7 is 0. Now we put down 8 along with 2. So here 2, 8, 28 tens. It becomes 28 tens. Here you see that 28 is more than 11, right? So we start the table. 11 2. 2 times of 11 will be eligible for subtraction. So 28 minus 22 is 6, right? Now I will put down 2 here along with 62, right? So 62. So what 62 is more than 11. So I will start the table of 62 where it will be fit for subtraction for the division. So 11 6 are 66. 66 is more than 62. It is not possible. So 11 fives are 55. So we subtract 62 minus 55. That is we get 7. Right. After subtracting 62 minus 55, we get 7. And here children, then after that there is no number is left. So 7 is the remainder and this 725 is the quotient. So quotient is 725 and remainder is 7. Now 1b. Question is 6287 divided by 12. Here 6287 is a dividend and 12 is a divisor. And how many digits are there? 4 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 places are there in the place value chart. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. So I am writing here thousands, 100, tens, ones. And then write here 6287. Now I give it a division sign and then I will write divisor to the left side of the dividend. Now let's start according to the rule of the division. Children, you have to start from the greatest place value digit. So greatest place value digit is 6. We have to start from the left side. And in case of addition, subtraction and multiplication, we start from the right side. That is the smallest place value digit. So always remember it. So 6 is here less than 12. What to do? 6 is less than 12. So let's multiply 12 by 0. So 0 will be, I will put 0 in the thousands place and 0 times of 12 is 0. So I will subtract it. 6 minus 0 is how much? 6. Now I will put down this 200 along with 6 and now it becomes 6200. Here 62 is more than 12. So here what do we, let's start the multiplication table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72. Here all of you see children, 60 is less than 62. 60 is less than 62, but 72 is more than 62. So this 72, we can't subtract 72 from 62. So it is not possible. So what do we derive? We will take 5 times of 12. So 5 times of 12 is 60. Now we subtract 62 minus 60. 2 minus 0, 2. 6 minus 6 is 0. Now we will put down this 8 tenths along with 2. Now the digit becomes 28 tenths. Here 28 is more than 12. So we start the table. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. 24 is less than 28, right? 12 threes are 36. 36 whereas more than 28. So this 36, it is not possible. We cannot subtract 36 from 28. Not possible. So I will take this 12 times 2 times of 12. So 2 will be in the tens place. 2 times of 12 is 24. Right? We subtract 28 minus 24. 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. Now I will write down 7 ones along with 4 tens. Now it becomes 47 ones. This 47 is more than 12. So we start the table. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. So 12 fours are 48. So here you see, children, that 48 12 fours are 48. Now here, what is the here in the this is another dividend, 47 tenths. So 47 ones. So what is this 47? So 47 is less than 48. So it is not possible to subtract 48 from 47. So what we will take? 12 threes are 36. So we can subtract. So here at ones place 3 times of 12 is 36. Now we can subtract it. So 7 minus 6 is 1 and 4 minus 3 is 1. So here, children, this 11, it is the remainder, and this 523 is a quotient. So quotient is 523 and remainder is 11. Okay. Now let us discuss about question number 2. In question number 2, you have to do division and then also you have to check your answer. Right. So let us take an example. Here, in question number 2, what is the question? Divide and check your answer. Firstly, we have to do division and then we have to check our answer. So let us take first 2a. 1826 by 12. So by means we have to divide 1826 4 places. So I will make place value chart, thousands, hundred, tens, ones. So 6 ones, 2 tens, 8 hundreds, 1000. So this is the dividend and divisor is 12, right? So here, children, what I will do, firstly I will write this place value little bit upper end. So thousands, hundred, tens and ones. Now let's start the multiplication of table of 12. First we will start from the left side. This is 1. 1 is less than 12. This is 1 means 1000. If 1 is the at the place value, what is the place value of 1? It is 1000. So it is 1000. Place value of 1 is 1000. So 1 is less than 12. So we cannot we will have to start the multiplication from 0. So 0 times of 12 is 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Now I will put down this 8 along with the 1000. This is 800. So now it becomes 1800. Now here you see that 1800 is 18 is more than 12. Okay. So 12 ones are 12 and 12 twos are 24. Here you see that 12 is less than 18, right? But 24 is more than 18. Okay. So we cannot subtract 24 from 18. Not possible. So I will take this 12 times of 2 times of 12, that is 24. So 2 will be at 100 place. I am writing here as a quotient. 2 times of 12. 2 times of 12 is 24. It is not possible. Okay, so I am taking this 1 times of 12. So this 1 times of 12 is 12 minus, so 8 minus 2 is 6, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now I will put down this 2 along with the 6. Now it becomes 62. So here in first case you have seen that the 12 times of 1 is 12. We can subtract 12 from 18, but we cannot subtract 24. 12 times of 2 is 24. We cannot subtract 24 from 18. So I have taken 1 times of 12, that is 12. We can subtract 12 from 18. So here we get 6. Now we will put down 2 along with 6. Now it becomes 62. Now we start the multiplication table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72. So here children, you see that this 62 is more than 12, right? This 62 is more than 12, and 12 fives are 60 and 12 six are 72. Here you see that this 60 is less than 62, right? But this 72 is more than 62. So this is not possible. 12 times of 6 is not possible. So I will take 5 times of 12 is 60. So 5 I will write here at 10th place, because 6 times of 12 is 72. 72 is more than 62. We cannot subtract 72 from 62. So 5 times of 12 is 60. So 60. So I will write here 60 just below 62. I will then do the subtraction. 62 minus 60 is 2. Right? Now I will put down this 6 along with 2. Now it becomes 26 once. Now here children, you see that this 26 is more than 12. Okay, we start the table. 12 twos are 24, right, and 12 threes are 36. Here 24 is less than 36, 24 is less than 26, and 36 is more than 26. So this 36 is not possible. So I am erasing it, and 12 times of 3 is also not possible. So which one is possible? 12 twos are 24. So I will write 2 here at the ones place, and then I will write 24. 2 times of 12 is 24. I will do the subtraction. 26 minus 24 is 2. So here children, this 2 is the remainder and 12 is the divisor, and this 152 is the quotient and 12 is the divisor, and 1826 is the dividend. Now here children, all of you see this 152 is a quotient. This 152 is a quotient. So firstly write down what is the quotient, what is the remainder, and what is the dividend, and what is the divisor. So here firstly start from quotient. Quotient is what? Quotient is 152, right? And remainder is 2. Okay, and divisor is 12 and dividend is 1826. Now we will check it. Right? So how we will check it? We will check this answer. So we will check it using the formula. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Always remember this relationship in order to check your answer. So let's start. What is the quotient? Quotient is 152. will be multiplied by quotient. Where is the quotient? 152 multiplied by divisor. Divisor is 12. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 2. Okay. We will see whether this dividend comes or not. So we have to firstly multiply. Always when we are simplify using the BODMAS, we firstly simplify, solve the multiplication operation. Okay. So 152 into 12 is 1824. This will be added with 2. Right. So it is equals 1800. After addition it is 26. All of you see that this is the dividend 1826. Here after doing the simplifying this operation we get 1826. It means it is checked. It is checked. Okay. Now let us take another example. So here children, next example is B. 4210 will be divided by 15. Right. So I will write down here again in the thousand, hundred, tens, ones. 4210 will be divided by 15. Right. From the extreme left side I will start the division. From 4, 4 is less than 15, so I will multiply 0 with 15. 0 times of 15 is 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. Now I will put down this 2 along with 4, so it becomes 42. Now 42 is more than 15. I start the table of 15. 15 2s are 30. 15 3s are 45. Here 30 is less than 42, but 15 3s are 45 is more than 42. So this is not possible. So 15 2s are 30. We subtract 42 minus 30, 2 minus 0, 2, 4 minus 3, it is 1. Now I will put down 1 along with 12. It becomes 121 tenths. So I will start the table. 15 8s are 120 and 15 9s are 135. So here 120 is less than 121. But 135 is more than 121. So it is not possible. So I will 15 8s are. So at 10's place I will write 8. 8 times of 15 is 120. So after subtraction I will get 1. Now I will write down this here 0 along with 1. It becomes 10 ones. So here 10 is less than 15. So I will multiply with 0. 0 times of 15 is what? 0. So it is 0. So 10 minus 0 is 10. So here all of you see children that 10 is the remainder and the quotient is 280. Divisor is 15 and dividend is 4000. This is dividend 210. Okay. Now let us check it. So when we check it, we have to put it in the formula. Dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. Okay. So here children, what is the quotient? Quotient is 280. And what is the divisor? Divisor is 15. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 10. So after multiplying 280 with 15, we get 4200 plus again remainder 10. That is 4210. You will see that 4210 is equal to dividend. So same as dividend. So it is checked. So children, hope you have enjoyed my class. So what you have to do your classwork. All of you note down your classwork. Your C work is, you have to do worksheet 3, G unit 4, question number 1 is your C work, and H work is question number 2 of the worksheet 3 unit 4. So children, if you find any problem or doubt while solving the division, you can contact me in the WhatsApp number. So till then, children, have a nice day and be safe. Stay at home. Bye bye.